what to read. How to read. These great results come especially quickly if you do three things when reading. Pay attention to interesting things, new word phrases, and grammar structures. Use your dictionary to learn about these interesting things. The more you use your dictionary, the faster you progress. If you don't like to stop reading to look up a word in your dictionary, you can write down all the interesting sentences and you can underline them in the book with a pencil. You can learn the words and grammar in these sentences later. What to read? You should always read the English texts which are at the right level. What does it mean? There should be some words that you know because you want to learn something. However, there shouldn't be too many difficult words because you don't want to use your dictionary 10 times in one sentence. Here are kinds of texts that you can read in English. Literature. If normal books are too difficult for you, we recommend the Penguin Reader series. They are famous